What's up everybody, it's Kevin back with another video, and today we're actually going to be talking about Meguiars Ultimate Black. This is pretty cool. It says plastic restore, makes trim and plastic look like new. So we're gonna find out if that's true or not. Actually, check this out. I did a small little piece already, and look at the difference. Can you see it? Look at that. This is where I applied it back here, and this is where I did not apply it. And it went on super easily, super smooth, so I figured let's just do the rest of it and let's make a quick video, because I was just putting it on for fun because I found this in the garage. So let's do before and after, and let's see what this actually does. All right, so here we go. I pulled it into the sun. Should have done this before. I think it looks really good. It looks clean. What do you think of the car? Think it looks good? Come here, boy. Oh, Putster. Say hi. This is Puddles. He's my helper when I'm working on stuff. What do you think of the car? You like it? So there you have it. Took me maybe 12 minutes. I'm sweating. But I think it turned out really well. So my rating of the Black Magic, the Ultimate Black, I keep saying Black Magic. So there you have it. What do you think? I think it looks good. I mean, for the little bit of effort I put into actually putting that on, it turned out really nicely. And the biggest thing now is I'm actually going to wash the car after the fact to see how it holds up. So I'm gonna let it sink into that plastic for a day or two, and then I'm gonna give the car a good wash and rub everything down. And the reason I'm gonna do that, I wanna see how that black plastic now holds up and whether or not the restored anything. But it goes on pretty much like Armor All. You put it on and then you wipe it off, the excess. And I think it looks really good. So I'm really happy with that. So let me know what you think in the comments, if you think it looks good or not. I try to get some good angles on it. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe, like the video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Later.